Hi bosses and welcome to PR Decoded. This channel exists for startup and independent beauty brands who need access to best-in-class PR and strategic brand consultancy but can't yet or may never need to hire in a PR agency or a professional brand strategist. Now, the reason that you don't need to hire a fancy PR agency with their fancy offices or a fancy brand strategist with a fancy title is because you can do it yourself. You really don't need to be lumbered if you can afford it, that is, because most startups and indie brands can't at the beginning or very early in their brand building journey. You can't afford to get locked into monthly retainer fees, annual contracts with lengthy notice periods, and a lot of frustrations come with a lot of brands that do hire PR agencies and are started out by given the most senior person within the team, and then towards the end of their time with the agency, their accounts being run by junior team members. Okay, so I understand all of the frustrations that come with agency life and not being able to afford it and knowing that you need PR in order to power your business to the next level, because I used to work in agencies for over 2 decades now. And now I'm on my own. I set up this channel and this platform because I believe absolutely passionately, and I don't even believe it, I know that you do not need to hire a PR agency or a fancy brand strategist, as I keep saying, because armed with the right know-how and guidance, you can do your own PR and brand building yourself, right? You can 100% drive your brand awareness, acquire more customers, build trust, get media coverage, secure the endorsement of social media influencers. You can stand out from your competitors, drive brand loyalty, drive your sales, and really create consumer trust. You can do all of that. And PR Decoded is here. I'm here to impart my knowledge, my skill set, my experience to you so you can go off and do and smash your PR yourself and rocket, and I mean rocket, your brand to the next level.